Pentrex takes you to Arizona for a look at the state's shortline railroads. Several of the lines are directly involved in the state's copper mining industry. The Arizona and California runs over Santa Fe's old Parker district. Their beautifully painted diesels look great. Arizona's beautiful desert scenery, photographed during the spring wildflower season, is a glorious spectacle. First-generation diesels still work hard on many Arizona shortlines. You're invited to come along on our visit to Arizona's shortline railroads. 7 different lines are seen in action around the state, including footage of the ore trains. Arizona's shortlines from Pentrex. Visit Pentrex on the World Wide Web at www.pentrex.com.